Are you tired of struggling with steep learning curves in FEA and CFD? Feeling isolated as a CAE engineer with no one to turn to for guidance? The CAE world is full of barriers. Closed communities, lack of mentorship, complex automation challenges, expensive software and hardware that drain budgets without delivering results. What if there was a place where over 15 years of simulation expertise meets a thriving community of engineers, designers, and innovators? At CAEFlow.com, we've built something special. We combine battle-tested expertise in FEA, CFD, and automation with insights from industry leaders, academic experts, and seasoned practitioners. Access to best practices, tutorials, and real-world case studies. Connect with fellow CAE engineers through our Mentorship Network. Learn automation techniques to streamline your workflow. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in the field. Visit CAEFlow.com today and join our exclusive newsletter for insights, trends, and expert tips that will transform your simulation workflow. CAEFlow.com, where CAE expertise flows freely.